Hello, my name is Laura Sofia Vélez Millán, and this is my presentation for Task 3 of the course Language and Culture. In this video, I will present the instructional materials I designed, explain the cultural and linguistic objectives, and demonstrate how they can be used in a teaching scenario. The language skill I select for this activity is listening, and the level of the students is B1 Intermediate. The purpose of the material is not only to develop listening comprehension with real spoken English, but also to foster cultural awareness through authentic everyday situations. This is my worksheet. I designed a listening worksheet using two scenes from popular American TV series. One scene from The Office, US, where the characters try to recover a server password after a power issue. And one scene from Friends, where the characters talk about each other's annoying habits. These scenes were selected because they show everyday social interaction and humor, which are key aspects of cultural communication in the United States. The worksheet includes multiple choice questions, fill in the blank comprehension task, true or false statements, and a cultural reflection questions to connect language and cultural interpretations. Also, I designed an activity in EducaPlay, and here to integrate an ICT tool, I create this activity, this listening activity on EducaPlay using the friend scene. Students listening to the clip and answer 5 questions, 5 comprehension questions interactively. This makes the activity more dynamic and allow students to practice independently, and the materials highlight how humor functions as a social tool in American culture. In The Office, humor is used to reduce stress and maintain relationships in a workplace environment. In Friends, humor is used to express annoyance and criticize behavior without damaging a friendship. By comparing these two contexts, students are able to reflect on how humor and directness are understood differently across cultures. On the other hand, this is my teacher guide. The class is planned to last 45 or 60 minutes, and it follows these steps. First, warm up discussion about how people in the student's culture express annoyance or irritation. 2. First listening task with the office clip and worksheet activities. Third, second listening task with the EducaPlay activity using the Friends scene. 4. Cultural reflection discussion where students compare American humor with their own culture norms. And 5. Closing summary how humor influences communication and relationships. This structure ensures the development of both linguistic proficiency and cultural appreciation, which is aligned with Learning Outcome 3. Finally, we have the assessment suggestions. Here, students are assessed using a simple checklist or rubric based on accuracy in the worksheet and EducaPlay response, participation in the cultural reflection, ability to explain cultural difference and observations. This evaluate not only listening comprehension, but also cultural interpretation and communication skills. So, to conclude, these instructional materials encourage active listening, integrate ICT tools, and connect language learning with meaningful cultural understanding. And that's all. Thank you for watching my video.